Did you know that nearly 1 in every 10 women worldwide suffers from a condition called endometriosis, yet many of them don't even know they have it? Many women believe severe pain during menstruation is normal, but the truth is not all menstrual pain is normal. In today's video, we will explain in very simple language what endometriosis is, what its symptoms are, why it occurs, how it is diagnosed, and what modern treatment options are available. Let's first understand what exactly is endometriosis. Normally, the inner lining of a woman's uterus is called the endometrium. This lining sheds every month during menstruation. But what happens in endometriosis? Tissue similar to the endometrium grows outside the uterus. Common sites include ovaries, fallopian tubes, pelvic ligaments, and in some cases even the intestines or urinary bladder. The problem is, these tissues try to bleed during menstruation, but since the blood has no way to exit the body, it leads to severe pain, inflammation, and serious complications. Now let's talk about the most important part, the symptoms. Symptoms can vary from woman to woman, but the most common ones include severe menstrual pain, pain so intense that it does not improve even with medication, pelvic pain outside the menstrual period, pain during sexual intercourse, heavy or irregular menstrual bleeding, difficulty in getting pregnant, infertility. Studies show that 30 to 50% of women with endometriosis may face fertility problems, fatigue, bloating, constipation or diarrhea, especially during menstruation. The biggest issue is many women tolerate these symptoms for years and seek medical help very late. Now the question is, why does endometriosis happen? To be honest, the exact cause is still not fully known. However, medical science suggests several strong theories. Retrograde menstruation theory: menstrual blood flows backward through the fallopian tubes into the pelvic cavity. Genetic factors: risk increases if a family member has endometriosis. Immune system dysfunction: the immune system fails to destroy abnormal tissue growth. Hormonal imbalance, especially the role of the hormone estrogen. Diagnosing endometriosis can be challenging. It does not always show up on ultrasound. Doctors usually rely on detailed medical history, pelvic examination, ultrasound or MRI, laparoscopy. This is the gold standard, where a small camera is used to directly visualize the pelvic organs. That is why the condition is often diagnosed late. Now comes the hopeful part. Endometriosis can be treated and managed. Treatment depends on severity of pain, age, future pregnancy plans. Pain management: NSAIDs such as ibuprofen, hormonal therapy, oral contraceptive pills, progestins, GnRH agonists. Surgical treatment: laparoscopic surgery in severe cases. Remember, this is a chronic condition, meaning long-term management is required.